Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make Indian style chicken fry in my Philips digital air fryer. You can enjoy this juicy, delicious, low calorie chicken fry as a main course or as a starter. If you want to know the detailed demo of how to use an air fryer, please watch my previous video by clicking the link in the comments box. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the Indian style chicken fry, let's first start with making the spice powder. Take a pan and add cinnamon stick 1 inch, followed by 6 to 7 cloves and about 4 cardamoms, green cardamoms I've added, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of aniseeds or somph and quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi, 5 to 6 peppercorns, 1 bay leaf, tear it and add. Roast them over a slow flame, never roast them over a high flame. Roast them till they turn light brown in color. And to this add half a teaspoon of poppy seeds. Add them at the end and cool them in room temperature and grind them to a fine powder and keep aside. Now take a mixing bowl and add 500 grams of chicken. I have taken drumsticks. You can use any pieces. Make deep cuts with a knife so that the masalas that we are going to add will get penetrated well into the chicken. Slit them this way. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Grind them to a smooth paste and keep aside. To the chicken add 3-4 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Rub the turmeric powder well with the chicken. We do this because turmeric prevents bacterial growth and also it tenderizes the meat and enhances its flavor. Cover it and marinate it for 30 minutes. Now it's been marinated. Now to this add the tomato paste that we have ground. This will make the chicken quite juicy and delicious. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, followed by 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and this is roasted and ground spice powder. I'm not going to add the entire thing. I'm just going to add 1.5 teaspoon of it. Keep the rest aside. You can use them for making chicken or mutton gravy. Now these are curry leaves, handful of them I have taken. Tear them and add them. They will add very good flavor to the chicken. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of salt or the required amount and mix thoroughly. Marinate in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Marination helps to enhance the taste and flavor of the chicken. Now after 3 hours, now the chicken has been marinated well, you can see. Now it's time to air fry them. Now remove the basket from the air fryer and brush few drops of oil so that the chicken doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Arrange the pieces one by one this way and place the curry leaves on top to elevate the flavor while the chicken pieces get air fried. So place like this and brush 2 to 3 drops of oil over the chicken pieces. Now they are ready to be air fried. Insert the basket into the fryer and switch it on. Now this is the control panel. The light glows now. Press the menu button. First one is for frying French fries, the second one for frying fresh potatoes, and the third one is for frying chicken. So keep pressing the menu button to reach the chicken option. Now the chicken option glows. It shows the preset temperature 180 degrees centigrade and the preset time 24 minutes. Now press the on button to start cooking. Now after 12 minutes, you can see the total frying time is 24 minutes. So after 12 minutes, you have to remove the basket and you have to flip the chicken pieces to the other side so that the other side of the chicken gets fried properly. Here I am not using lemon juice in this recipe. The tomatoes, add up the flavor, slight tanginess and, taste to the chicken. Brush 2 to 3 drops of oil so that, they don't turn too dry. Now slide in the basket again into the fryer and let the chicken pieces get cooked for the balance 12 minutes. Now it's done. Remove the basket. Now a super delicious, nutritious and aromatic chicken fry is ready. Since we have used tomatoes and we have marinated well, the chicken drumsticks have turned quite, tender and juicy. The aroma is heavenly and I must say it's 100% worth trying, friends. So please do try this healthy chicken recipe and let me know your feedback. This way of frying is far better than deep frying in oil. This chicken doesn't turn dry and goes well with dal, rice or asam rice. So please try this out and extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel. If you want to watch Philips air fryer complete demo with 2 easy recipes, please click the link in the comment section or in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploads. See you in my next video with lots of love. Sana Kuram.